H&M to use digital clones of models in ads and social media. This is from the previous news article. Fashion retailer H&M is to use artificial intelligence to create digital twins of 30 models. He says he will use the AI doppelgangers in some social media posts and marketing in the place of humans if given permission by the models. So from what I'm reading, I understand it won't be as in the AI models aren't just random AI models they've made. From what I just read, I'm sure you'd understand as well that they are actual real life models and these are AI versions of them, hence why they're going to get permission from the models. So I guess maybe it's not as bad as it seems, because this will make it easier for them to use AI to use on social media and elsewhere without having to have the models there all the time. But I'm sure it's in cooperation with the models themselves, which is why they're going to use permission. So perhaps they won't lose out on money and whatever else. But it's interesting just to see that AI is even being used in the modeling world. Maybe in this sense is not modeling in terms of what you see in traditional modeling, but in terms of for marketing, for shopping and whatever, AI is getting involved, and who knows, maybe we'll see an AI model in the future changing the modeling scene, where you see models on social media who is their job, maybe AI will replace it. But it's interesting to see that someone like H&M is willing to use AI to do such a thing, and maybe other companies will do similar. But often with things like this, people don't like it because you can tell most of the time, but not all the time, but most of the time, you can tell that it's AI and it's not real, and they prefer real human. But I guess this is the future, and I guess if people don't like it, maybe they won't. They'll stop doing it. But I guess this is the way moving forward. People will use AI in as many ways as they can, and perhaps to save costs and whatever else, or save time as well, because they won't have to have the models there all the time. They can just use the AI version, so they save time and perhaps money on that. So I guess AI is the future, but maybe it's the future because people want to save money and time rather than the future because it's the best for all parties involved.